Hello good people of Fully Charged, Jack here, and I'm very happy to announce that our London live show is very close now. My hometown. I am so excited for it, and you should be too. Here's just a few reasons why you should join us.
If you're searching for the perfect day out, then look no further. This week, on the 16th, 17th and 18th of April, we're hosting an almighty festival of electrification, showcasing the very best electric vehicles and home energy tech at the London XL. Come along and take part in the electric vehicle test drive program, where you can try out cars of all shapes and sizes from loads of manufacturers including Hyundai, MG, BYD, Porsche, Volvo, Ford, Tesla, Omoda, Cupra and many more. You'll get an exclusive first look at never-before-seen, soon-to-be-released electric vehicles, including the Hyundai Ioniq 9, Changan SO7 and Farizon SV, all making their UK debut. Plus, don't miss the chance to see the Renault 5, BYD Sealion 7 and test drive the hotly anticipated MG S5 for yourself. And if four wheels isn't for you, jump on an electric bicycle, scooter or skateboard at our micro-mobility test track. Or come and watch one of your favourite Fully Charged show and Everything Electric show presenters review an electric vehicle live on the Live EV Arena. Join us on the Home Energy Arena, sponsored by Hive, where we'll host expert talks, live product reviews and consumer experience sessions to answer all your questions about making your household cleaner, greener and cheaper to run. Younger Fully Charged fans can enjoy a load of fun activities, including an Easter egg hunt, a Lego zone, t-shirt making, and the Zap Heap Kids Challenge. And that's not all. We've lined up an exciting series of fireside chats and panel discussions, featuring legendary YouTuber Colin Furze, along with hosts Robert Llewellyn, Imogen Bogle, Dan Caesar, Helen Chersky, Dave Borlace, and yours truly. Expect everything from beginner-friendly EV charging guides to in-depth explorations of battery recycling and bold predictions about the world of 2050 and beyond.
So there we have it. Those are just a few reasons why you should join us at London XL at the 16th to 18th of April for Everything Electric London. See you there.